Alright, if your inbox feels kind of boring or cluttered, yeah, you can actually customize it a lot. In this full guide, I'll show you how to personalize themes and layout in Gmail so it looks better and works exactly how you want. First, open Gmail and click the gear icon in the top right corner. This opens the quick settings panel. Now scroll to the theme section and click View All. You'll see a bunch of background styles and images. Pick one you like, or upload your own image for a custom look. You can also tweak things like brightness, blur, or text background so your emails stay readable. Next, choose how compact your inbox looks. You've got default, comfortable, and compact options. Compact shows more emails, while comfortable gives more spacing. So pick what feels right. Now, go to inbox type. You can switch between default, important first, unread first, or priority inbox. You can also turn tabs on or off, like primary, social, and promotions, to organize your emails automatically. If you want to read emails faster, enable the reading pane. It lets you preview emails without opening a new page. You can adjust how much email content is shown in the inbox preview. This helps you scan emails quickly. Once everything looks good, just close the settings panel. Your changes are saved automatically. And yeah, that's how you customize Gmail themes and layout. Just a few tweaks, and your inbox becomes way more organized, and honestly, a lot nicer to use.